So who here has heard of Ruby Sutter? You know, American Idol, they just know what I'm talking about. I know. Well, you know how they call them the velvet chocolate teddy, well, velvet teddy bear? Well, I call myself the chocolate velvet teddy bear. So, you know, I'm very outgoing and everything, you know, I'm not very shy to talk to people up front and everything. In high school, you know, I was always trying to do things other people were scared of, as you know. I became cheerleader, you know, that's what championship for us. So me and other teammates after football season, you know, we enjoyed cheer, you know, we were just trying to have some fun. I mean, 3 days in Las Vegas, surrounded by 1,500 female foot doctors, you know. So, I'm not a business, I know it's bad, but I have an addiction to music. Right now, I'm trying to Twitch right now because I don't have my iPod on me. I just broke it recently. I have like over 4,000 songs on it, you know, it's really killing me not to have something in my ear. You know, I would have brought it, but, you know, I went to the Apple store, got a brand new one, lucky enough, but, you know, unfortunately my laptop's broken, so can't really register anything like that. You know, I'm obviously an athlete, you know, big old football player. I'd actually just started playing football since I was a freshman in high school, you know, maybe once your sophomore year, it's a big deal to do. You know, coming out of high school with the San Jose State, didn't get a scholarship, came back down here, you know, get one. Currently, you know, I'm trying to work on getting one. I have a few offers, but, you know, I haven't paid my great highlight ticket yet. So, you know, that's just me in a nutshell.